Okay, so today the topic is on a very brief history of the atomic and quantum model, starting with Dalton, J.J. Thomson, and Rutherford, then Bohr, and then Chadwick. Okay, so this is atomic. Then, now moving on to de Broglie, Schrödinger, and Heisenberg. And this is quantum. Alright, let's start with Dalton. Mr. Dalton said matter is made of tiny, indivisible atoms. Atoms of the same element are identical. Different elements have different atoms. Atoms combine in fixed whole number ratios to form compounds. Atoms cannot be created or destroyed in chemical reactions. Dalton meant that atoms don't combine randomly, they always join in specific, exact whole number ratios to form a compound. You will never see half an atom in a compound. Okay, now Thomson, he discovered the electron using the cathode ray tube, which showed that atoms have tiny negative particles inside them. He then proposed the plum pudding model, or the chocolate chip cookie model, where electrons are embedded in a positively charged sphere. Now, Rutherford, he had discovered the nucleus through the gold foil experiment. Concluded that the atom is mostly empty space, with a dense, positively charged nucleus in the center. And Bohr proposed that electrons orbit the nucleus in fixed energy levels. Electrons can move between levels by absorbing or releasing energy. Photons. Now, Chadwick had discovered the neutron, a neutral particle in the nucleus, and also explained why atoms of the same element can have different masses, which are isotopes. That was the atomic part. Let's move on the quantum part. Starting with de Broglie, who proposed that electrons behave like both particles and waves. Schrödinger developed the quantum mechanical model of the atom and used math to describe electron behavior as probability clouds called orbitals. In these shapes, S, P, D, F. I will explain in another video what that means. Werner Heisenberg developed the uncertainty principle, which states that it is impossible to know both the exact position and momentum of an electron at the same time, and he described electrons as part of a cloud-like region around the nucleus, not fixed orbits. Okay guys, that was the quantum part. Obviously there has been a lot more contribution to the both atomic and quantum model by a number of scientists. But today we have only discussed a very brief history for a better understanding of modern science. Thank